Ja, goedemorgen. Dat is Lenny. En Lenny leidt op een crossband. Wat was hier, Lenny?
Ja, we gaan van de middag crossen, maar eerst binnen we hier via het Spiekendorp in Halle.
We were in love with the sun, sipping on coke.
Ik weet net of ik het wel aan word. Halloween, spookkasteel. Oeh my god, al die enge tekeningen hier.
I spent the summer on you. Our troubles all on the rocks. Our troubles all on the rocks, filling our plastic cups. By the riverside, we spent those long hot nights until the sky turned blue. When I spent the summer on you. I spent the summer on you. When I spent the summer on you.